Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 7. Knowing more about Internet. What's inside? In this chapter, you will learn about Internet, types of computer networks, Internet access, uses of the Internet, www, using a web browser, working with web page. Rahul, you know that network of computers help us to share information and resources. Do you know it is also a method of communication via chatting, video conferencing and email? Let's study about these in detail. Internet. The Internet is a worldwide telecommunication system that provides connectivity for millions of other smaller networks. Therefore, the Internet is also called the network of networks. It allows computer users to communicate with each other and can share resources across distance. The Internet acts as a pipeline to transport electronic messages from one network to another network. Thus, Internet is a worldwide global system of interconnected computer networks. You can connect to the Internet through telephone lines, cable, modems, cell phones, and other mobile devices. Types of computer network. Local area network, LAN. A LAN connects network devices over a relatively short distance, such as a residence, school, office, building, etc. Metropolitan area network, MAN. A metropolitan area network, MAN, is a large computer network that usually extends a city or a large campus. A MAN often acts as a high-speed network to allow sharing of regional resources. A MAN typically covers an area of between 5 kilometers and 50 kilometers diameter. A MAN might be owned and operated by a single organization, but it usually will be used by many individuals and organizations. Wide Area Network, WAN. WAN covers a large geographic area such as country, continent, or even whole of the world. The Internet is an example of a WAN. Internet access. Internet is accessible to every user all over the world. To gain access to the Internet, the user has to register to any Internet service provider, ISP. It is a company that provides Internet access to the user. Some popular ISPs are BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Tata Communications, Bharti Airtel and Reliance Communications. Types of Internet connections. Dial-up, Integrated Services Digital Network, Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line, Wireless Internet connections, Internet over Satellite, 4G and 5G services, available for mobile phones, computers and tablets, connects wirelessly through 4G per 5G provider, can access Internet anywhere. Uses of the Internet. The use of Internet has grown tremendously over the past few years because of the various services that can be accessed through it. Here are some common uses of the Internet. Communication. Internet allows us to communicate with people sitting at remote locations. There are various apps, applications available on the web that uses Internet as medium for communication. One can find various social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Google, Instagram, etc. Apart from providing communication and being a source of information, Internet also serves the following purposes: downloading files, send and receive emails, chatting, post your opinion to a news group, business, surf the World Wide Web, entertainment, shopping. www. World Wide Web. www or World Wide Web is a collection of linked pages that contain text, pictures, audio and movies. The various pages are connected using links and can be accessed through the Internet. World Wide Web is popularly known as the web. Web browser. A web browser is a software that lets you access the pages on the World Wide Web. Some examples of web browsers are shown below. Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome. Web page. The pages that make up the World Wide Web are known as web pages. A web page is created using a language called HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It can be seen or accessed using a web browser. The pages may contain text, images, audio, video, and links. Phrases such as navigating the web or surfing the web are used when you visit one web page followed by the other. Hyperlinks. A web page may contain links to other pages or to another place in the same web page. These links are known as hyperlinks. A hyperlink may be text or a picture. The mouse pointer generally takes the shape of a hand when it is moved over a hyperlink. When you click a hyperlink, the part that it is linked to opens in the browser window. Websites. A website is a collection of related web pages linked to one another. The first page of a website is called the home page. The home page gets displayed when the website is opened using a browser. The home page contains hyperlinks to other pages of the website. URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Every house in the city has a unique address so that they can be identified easily. Similarly, every website or web page has a unique address. The address of a website or web page is known as the URL. http://www.cartoonnetwork.com/ http://www.funbrand.com. Using a web browser. A web browser is a type of software that allows you to find and view websites on the internet. Let's work in Google Chrome. Working with web page. Displaying a specific web page. To display a specific web page, it is necessary that you should know the address of the web page. Follow the given steps to display a specific web page. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Step 2. Click on the address bar and enter the address of the web page you want to visit. For example, https://www.bsnl.co.in. Step 3. Press the Enter key. The web page will start to load and will appear in the window. Selecting a link on a web page. When you open a web page, sometimes you see links on the web page. These are hyperlinks that connect this page to another web page. Follow the given steps to select a link on a web page. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Step 2. Click on the address bar and enter the address of the web page you want to visit www.mygov.in. Step 3. Press the Enter key. Step 4. Now, when you place the mouse pointer over some text or image, the mouse pointer changes to hand. Step 5. Click on the hyperlinks to visit the web page connected to them. The linked web page will appear. Saving a web page. Sometimes, you come along some information on web page which you wish to save for future use. Follow the given steps to save a web page. Step 1. Open a web page in Google Chrome. Step 2. Scroll up and down the web page to see the information you want to save. Step 3. Click the right mouse button. A drop-down list of menu will appear. Step 4. Click on Save As. The Save As dialog box will appear. Step 5. Locate the place where you want to save the web page. Step 6. Enter a suitable name for the web page in the file name text box. Step 7. Click on Save. The web page will be saved at the desired location. Accessing the history folder. Whatever you do and search on the internet, it gets saved in the history. Follow the given steps to access the history folder. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Step 2. Press Ctrl+H. The history folder will appear. It shows the history of the sites you had visited recently and in the past. Step 3. To close the history folder, click on the Close button of the history folder. Points at a glance. Internet is a worldwide network of computers. Internet Service Provider (ISP) is a company that provides internet access to the users. World Wide Web (WWW) is a collection of interconnected pages that contain text, pictures, audio, and movies. A web browser is a software that lets you access the pages on the World Wide Web. A website is a collection of related web pages. Hyperlinks on a web page are links to other pages or to another place in the same web page. Uniform Resource Locator (URL) is the address of a website or web page.
Like, share and subscribe.